Oh man, you know the grind don't stop. Time for your boy to go ahead and get this trunk together. For those that may not know, I plan on going to Midwest Mayhem in Chicago, which is actually in like another week or so. And I'm about to take this out and redo it. I got a custom trunk kit, etches kit that's about to go in here. I'll take all this out. And put this kit in. That's the rest of the pieces over there. So I got some ideas I'm about to cook up with it. And I'll show y'all when I finish. But right now, all this coming out. Gots to go. I want it more cleaner. This was just some temporary shit to throw in there. But I gotta get it right. The way I know I can do it. I like it to look a certain way, and this ain't it. This is temporary. Yep, I told y'all all that shit was coming out. So I'm gonna redo it, but it's one side, so stay tuned for the other side. I'm gonna get all this together. It's gonna be nice. Like I said, this the before. All right. Whew, shaky hands. I got my tire back in there, my spare, but it's all in there. Nice and tight, sturdy. I'm about to go ahead and finish doing some more cleaning in here. It ain't done yet, but like I said, that's what it looked like so far. I'm about to get that back in there, get everything all buttoned down and cleaned up, and I also got to put my LEDs in. So I'll let y'all check it out when I'm done. Whew, man. When I say a brother tired, but nice and clean. Got my spare tire back there. Let's see, it say dirty. Couple more things to hide and got some more wires to bury. But yeah, I got this mug in there. And I can change how it dance. Changing a little mood up. I like this better. Nice and clean, simple, and flush. Got my little Galaxy stuff going on around it. Yep, there we go. It's gonna look crazy at night, but there we go. All right, y'all. I'm running out of little daylight, but I told y'all I was gonna show y'all the finished product. So I just gotta bury these two little wires right here. But overall, there we go. There go my trunk. Say dirty Sprite along the back. My old kit is in there. Even got my spare tire up under there. Gotta bury that one wire too. Complete Galaxy theme around it. Show y'all the lights. There you go. So y'all get to see the effect with the lights. And the other is like a floating light behind it. So that's the effect it got going on back there. See if I can change it. There you go. Yeah, that's dirty Sprite. Like I said, space, clean, everything. And these open too. See? Storage compartments. There go another storage compartment right here. See? Storage compartment. So I can put stuff in there. Like I said, storage compartment right here. Put my stuff in, so there we go. Complete trunk kit. 30 Sprite. There you go.